Good morning. Today is Monday, March 30th. Our word of the month is self-care. Today we will be focusing on the importance of taking care of ourselves. The sight word of the day is now. For example, I need to eat my breakfast now. I hope you all have a great day and make sure you do get some breakfast now. And make sure you guys take breaks as needed and get some fresh air outside. I miss seeing you all guys every day in the classroom, but I'm excited for the opportunities you guys have to work online some. During writing time today, you guys are going to write your own story on your own paper. You can draw at least 3 pictures and write your story to match. Don't forget your conclusion. When you are finished, take a picture of your story and send it to my email or message me on Talking Points. In skills today, you guys are going to work on moving some pictures around. You're going to pick a picture, say the word, and sound out each word. For example, if Mr. Tanner saw the word cat, he would go k, a, t, and he hears 3 sounds, so he would move it to the box with 3 sounds. Then you guys have some choices for your reading stations. You can work on RazKids or Startfall.com, or pick an activity for about 10 to 15 minutes. And during math today, you guys are going to be working on addition story problems with using pictures. I look forward to talking with you guys online, working with you guys. And if you have any questions, just feel free to send me an email or use Talking Points. I'm really excited to continue working with you guys, and I can't wait to see all of you again soon.